Okay, Iron Bridge, Iron, oh, Iron Bridge. Really, साला नीचे का भी iron है.
One world, one ride.
Good morning guys, this is Devashish and today, the last day in Thailand, last day again. Today I'm leaving Thailand, border is some 6 kilometers from here and we're gonna enter Myanmar. Myanmar, the last country. And then, my dear friends, I'll be returning to my motherland, India. Damn, I'm so excited. Just one more country, few more days to reach India. I am really, really excited. After so many months, I'm returning home. Alag hi khushi hai. It's like really, really excited to return soon as possible. Getting emotional also. Man, I know when I reach the border, I'm gonna cry. Anyways, you guys enjoy the ride. Same border, same procedure. I think I have showed it in my previous videos also. While entering Thailand and Myanmar, it is the same thing. So I might skip the procedural part and let's see how it goes. This is a new agency. I don't know how they perform. Let's see. Till then, enjoy the ride.
Jai Shri Ram. Good morning guys. Yes, we are the final country. Today Myanmar entry. I need to fill up gas and I enter India. You have no idea how excited I am to enter India. Really excited to enter India. Not today, but final country hai. Entering Myanmar and then India. It is really. I wish DJ had come with me, ridden the way. Entering the country, their homeland, on your bike is a whole different feeling. And damn, I miss you, DJ. It was a lovely ride. OWOR. The whole ride is about to end, my friends. Okay, so I park my motorcycle here, do the paperwork, the same old paperwork what we did while entering. Damn, it's been what, 9 months? Same border. That's the bridge. Last time I was here with DJ, and now I'm alone. Chalta, that is what life is all about. And the agent is gonna come and he's gonna do everything. Let's see. Some bugger is gonna better wait here. Okay, so all the paperwork has been done. It was quite simple. All you have to do, again I'm repeating it, no. Going out, all you have to do is go to the counter number 9, get your passport stamped out, go to counter number 1 and get your bike stamped out. Yeah. That was quite simple, but yeah, in counter number 1 they gave me a shock saying that your bike flew in Thailand, so we can give you going out permission, something like that. And then later on it got sorted out. Bye bye. And here we go. Back on to number 9. We had parked here, me and DJ. Damn, I'm missing DJ. I wish DJ could have ridden back. But yeah. So we are entering Myanmar side. Now, this is how you change lanes. From left, you go and right. And we have traffic. Damn. This is the Friendship Bridge, my dear friends. Where do I go? 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 Yeah, you can go. Okay. Where do I park? Oh, there. Okay, so we are into Myanmar. Last country. Today we're gonna ride 200 kilometers to Hotel Golden Rock something. Golden Rock. If we are lucky, we can go and see the Golden Rock. But the time is 11. 200 kilometers with bad roads. We should be reaching by 3-4. I don't think so. We will be able to make it because it's a 1-hour journey to the mountains. I doubt anything is gonna happen. The border got cleared very fast. It was about half an hour. Just got to go to the immigration, fill a form, get your passport stamped in, go to the custom. The custom officer is going to check your motorcycle. I just got my carnet stamped. The delay happened of 45 minutes because my escort car broke down. There I'll remember Tin. Tin's service is much more, I feel, better than this guy. Okay, though the nice highway has ended. We are on a single lane, not that great. But yeah, so far so good. The temperature is quite hot, but I'm not feeling it that much because the bike is on the move and I've opened my winch, so it's not that hot for me. But I'm missing Mr. Tin's escort. That toya. With all the siren sound, you used to feel like a VIP. All right, you have this Okay. So the road is under construction. And the road is pretty bad. Look, it's good that I'm not on a Harley. But I don't know how many kilometers it will be like this. We are traveling at the speed of 20-40. We have just done 73 kilometers so far. Time is 12:23. एक घंटे से सारा बराबर से. We didn't do much. I don't know how far it's gonna be like this. I think till Hapan. I think till Hapan it's gonna be this way. They are extending the road. This is Chinese contractor. That's what the guy told me, that China is making road for Myanmar. But Myanmar is paying. There are also Chinese contractors. I think we've left that road. I don't know whether this is gonna have the same problem or no. But the roads are not that good. Well, what am I expecting, eh? Yeah, after riding Thailand, Europe, USA, America, Central America, Australia, थोड़ा आदत बिगड़ गया है रे. आदत बहुत बिगड़ा है रे, बहुत बिगड़ा. और खराब रास्ता देखेगा तो गड़बड़ लगता है जी. Well, I think Nikhil and Junaid. Nikhil will fly down. Junaid is riding to receive me. We're really excited to meet Junaid. Junaid bhai. I seriously wish DJ could enter. Last time we had a photo click there. I seriously wish DJ could enter with me. चीचा का दिमाग खराब हो गया. Okay, Iron Bridge. Really, साला नीचे का भी आयन है. आयन ब्रिज तो नीचे तो रोड रखो, नीचे भी आयन है भाई. आयन ब्रिज खत्म प्ले. Feels good, man. The windshield actually blocks the air, so you are really. I remember there's a cafe. There has to be a cafe down there. Jate we had coffee. Yeah, I'm fucking hungry, man. Yeah, that's the cafe. Okay, this was the place where we had stopped over last time to have coffee while going, and the land of golden pagodas. India.
India.
Yeah.
Nice bike.
Thank you.
Just only one?
Yeah.
You got your partner?
Huh?
You got your traveling partner?
Oh, he went from Australia.
Where is he?
He's going back to India. Oh, they recognize our what? वाह, खाली हम लोग दोनों ही दिख रहे थे भैया. Indian world ride करते हुए. They recognized us. So we are doing a world ride or something like that. Okay, so I've reached the hotel. The hotel is okay, the AC doesn't work properly. I don't know. I was very happy with Mr. Tin. He's much more better than, he's more professional than. I was trying out this guy Win, but then, you know, experience versus newcomer easily jhalakta hai. So far, first day, disappointing. Not that professional, I would say, but then, yeah, it was disappointing. Let's see what happens tomorrow. So tomorrow, I don't know where we're gonna ride. These burgers have not even given me the itinerary. What Mr. Tin does is, I'm just comparing between Mr. Tin and this guy Win. As you enter Myanmar, he's gonna give you an itinerary. This is where you're gonna stay. This is where it is. So and so kilometers, you know, so and so forth. So this is how Mr. Tin works. Well, these guys, I don't know where I'm going. It's okay. Today morning I came to know about the hotel. I checked out in the Google. It was a very bad review, but well, it is. I will not even give 1 star for this. It looks authentic, but it is horrible. I don't think I will be able to sleep because it's too hot, and the AC also doesn't work. I don't know what the. Anyways, to all the lovely people who are watching this video, stay blessed, and I am really excited that it's only few days I'm gonna be home. Home बोले तो India, एक ही बात है. I'll be entering India. That's lovely. To all the lovely people, stay blessed and goodbye.
One world, one ride.
Okay guys, so with me is Ravinesh Bhai. वापस आ गया मैं तेरे पास. So I had promised him while going from here for the world ride that अगर जिंदा रहा तो वापस आऊँगा.